my name is Easton Vanover. I'm a member of Wise County 4-H, and today I'm going to show you how to build some cool STEM activities. Alright, so today we're going to be making a balloon dragster, and what should be in your kit, what you should have at home is styrofoam tray. I see we have multiples because this should be enough for 2 people, one with circles in it. We'll need balloon, some beads, scotch tape, duct tape, some pins. Be careful with these are sharp, straw. Let me grab this real quick. Ruler and some scissors. And I want to remind you to please be careful when you're doing this one. The first step, what we need to do is cut out a 4x6 inch rectangle out of the styrofoam tray. So let's kind of make sure we're in inches here. So I'm going to go ahead and put mine just at the very end of our tray right here where the flat surface is. We're just going to cut it out. So let's see if I can do this real quick. And we're going to cut out 6 inches going long ways. We're going to measure 4 inches the width going like this. So now we have what's going to be the main part of our dragster. And the next step we need to do is cut out 4 circles. These are going to be our wheels. Now we had these drawn out. You could use a compass at home, or you could use these little templates. We have these templates right here. Now that we have our 4 wheels cut out, the next thing we need to do is attach them to our main part of the car with these pins here. So remind you, please be careful. These are sharp, and we're going to need 4 of them. 1 for each wheel. So before we actually put the wheels into the car, we're going to need to puncture the wheels obviously through the center. So doing that, if you're having trouble finding the center, one easy way you could do it basically is to draw an X, and the center of the X will be the center of the circle. So taking a pin, I'm just going to put it right through the cross. Just like this. Okay. Kind of wiggle our way up here to the end of it. And then before we actually put it onto the car, we're going to need to put a bead on there. And that's going to make sure that it doesn't wobble any. Because as you get older, you're going to know if your wheels are wobbling on your car, that's usually not a good sign. So, just kind of close to the edge here. Just kind of put it through. Be careful not to poke yourself when you're doing this. Kind of screw it in. And if the pin does come out, don't do it all the way because you still need a little bit of room for your wheel to move. But if the pin does go out, that's okay. We have tape. You need duct tape instead of scotch tape because that's going to make it to where the pin's not going to poke through the scotch tape. It won't poke through duct tape. Okay, got a little bit of green for our 4-H decoration here. Make sure the pin is nice and tight. There we go. 1 wheel on. Now that we have all 4 wheels on there, the next step is to put the straw on. So whenever you put the balloon on the straw, what you need to do is first, to make this easier, cut this little ridget out of the balloon. So just like so. Oh. There we go. Throw this away or recycle. Now, putting the balloon to the end of the straw, you want to make sure that it's on the straw, the part that you drink out of, so you can bend it around and adjust it as you want to on your dragster. Get you a little duct tape. And the reason we're using duct tape is that's going to ensure that no air escapes from this balloon whenever you're blowing it up. Okay, so after you've got your balloon, duct tape your straw, the next step is you want to put your straw onto your cart. Because what this is going to do is the balloon, whenever the air comes out, it's going to blow this car everywhere you want it to go. One thing I like to do whenever I'm building this is make sure that the end of my straw here is a little bit out from the cart. That way I can blow it up. I'm not just sucking on the cart trying to do that. Okay. Do a couple more just to make sure it's nice and tidy. Alright, I think that should be good. So, next step, just blow up your balloon. After you've got your balloon blowed up, real good here, all you want to do is let go. Woo! Alright. There goes my car. And that's how you do it. Still losing.